Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I'm going to talk about 1 minute decluttering tasks. One, toss expired coupons or receipts from your purse or wallet. Two, throw away junk mail or flyers sitting on the counter. Three, recycle an empty shampoo bottle from the shower. I don't know if that's going to take 1 minute. Toss one expired item from the fridge. Declutter 5 old photos or screenshots from your phone. Throw away dried up pens or markers in your junk drawer. Trash or donate one item from your closet you haven't worn in a year. Recycle an empty delivery box or package. It's empty. You haven't used it. Toss broken hangers from the laundry room. Throw out mismatched socks from your sock drawer. All right, guys, go do one of those or all of those right now.